I finally got a roof rack for my Tesla Model Y Juniper. I've been thinking about this project for the past year, and I am so glad I went ahead and did that. The car looks really cool with the roof rack on top. It's a lot more functional, looks more outdoorsy and rugged. So I am very glad that I did this project. I originally was thinking of going through the Tesla website. I found it on there for $500, almost 600 with tax. So I thought that was a pretty high price for the roof rack. So I did some research and I found out that EB Base has the exact same roof rack for almost half the price. And you can get an even better deal. Sometimes they have better deals on there, or you can get a coupon or to get it at a much lower price. I've seen it as low as in the low 200s, so you can definitely get a better deal on it. So I decided to get the EB base one. It came very well packaged, and it's very similar installation to the original roof rack from Tesla. You want to look on top of your roof. There's going to be some arrows that signals where the roof rack is going to go. So Tesla already marks that prior. So it's going to be a lot easier to install. It's going to be even, and it's a specific place to install it. So don't just install it anywhere. Look for those arrows on top of the car. I cleaned that spot, and then I went and looked at what tools that the roof rack came with. It came with a lot of different tools. Everything you need is in the box, which is great. Came with these rubber pieces that you put on where those arrows go, and a tool to be able to move that rubber so you can install the little metal plates that are going to go on there. It also comes with this clear tape so that you can protect the car a little more, so that just kind of protects the paint a little bit. And you just want to kind of put that on there and just kind of fit it into it. And then you're going to move that rubber piece, and that's when you get your metal hooks, and you're going to kind of attach it to it. It kind of goes towards the roof, and then the rubber pieces just fit right in, and it's marked. Everything's marked, so it's very easy to install. It's probably going to take you a little bit the first time, but if you do it a second time, you're probably going to do it at twice the speed as you did the first time. So just take your time with it. There is risk to installing these, so you want to make sure you do it right. You don't want to over tighten because that could damage your glass roof. So just a couple turns on each side, kind of just keep turning it evenly, and turn it slowly on each side, and just make sure that it is secure. It doesn't have to be over tightened, or like doesn't have to, you know, just don't struggle by turning it. You know what I mean? Just like give it a couple turns, make sure that it fits on there properly. That's really all it is. And it just kind of creates that tension with the rubber piece and that metal hook. So just, yeah, just give it a couple pulls, make sure that it fits good. After that, you just use a key that it comes with, and you can lock it in place. And then it comes with some plastic caps, so you can just put the plastic caps on, and you're pretty much ready to go. Very easy install. It just kind of takes a little bit of time the first time, and just take your time with it. But it looks great. Like I said, I'm very happy with it, and I've done some real world testing with it, and it is a very functional product. I think it looks more outdoorsy, more rugged, and I'm glad I got it from EV Base because the price was great, and it just looks OEM. There is no reason to pay $600 when you can get it at EV Base for half that price, and even better price sometimes with the deals they have available sometimes. So I even got a third-party edition to it, so I fitted that product into it. It's a extra roof rack on top, so you can put like a kayak or more storage on top for traveling, and it came out absolutely awesome. I really like the way everything worked out with it, and I highly recommend EB Base to get that roof rack when if you're interested in getting something like that added to your Tesla Model Y Juniper. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.